Hello, welcome to Elite Trend Hub. Today, I'll guide you through our Elite Trend Momentum strategy, a powerful TradingView tool that rides trends with an ADX filter. Perfect for Forex, stocks, or crypto. Let's get started. To find the strategy, open TradingView and head to the Indicators tab at the top. Search for Elite Trend Momentum Strategy. It's invite only, so request access at elitetrendhub.net by purchasing a monthly subscription or pay for lifetime access. Once added, you'll see it appear on your chart. Let's turn it on. Here's our first trend flip-up signal, a bullish crossover. Notice the bands. They turn blue when the fast EMA crosses above the slow EMA, signaling a buy. The green buy label pops up too. Now, here's another trend flip-up, another buy opportunity. But watch this. After a few candles, we get an ADX 2-week label and the position closes. That's the ADX filter at work. If momentum drops below the set threshold, say 25, it exits to protect you from fading trends. Purple labels mark these smart exits. Let's explore the settings. Click the gear icon to adjust. Stop loss percent sets your risk. Default 3.5%. ADX threshold, our momentum cutoff. ADX check period waits 5 candles before checking. An opposite signal buffer is 10 candles to avoid quick flips. These give you full control. Now let's tweak some. ADX check period. See how it delays the exit? Play with these to match your market. Shorter periods for fast moves, lower thresholds for choppier conditions. Next, trend tightness. Stick to medium or loose for cleaner trends depending on your time frame. Finally, stop loss percent. This widens your risk zone. Lower it for tighter control. Test these with backtests to find your sweet spot. Balance risk and reward. The trend is your friend. Master it with this strategy. Get lifetime access and updates at elitetrendhub.net. Subscribe for more tips and like if this helped. Trade smart.